If you've ever wanted to personalize your Instagram chats by giving your friends fun or unique nicknames, but you can't find the option or it's suddenly gone, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to set a nickname in Instagram chat using the updated method, plus what to do if the option doesn't appear on your account. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share how you can request a feature directly from Instagram. Alright, let's start with the easiest part. Setting a nickname when the option is available. Open your Instagram app and tap the DM icon at the top right corner. Choose the chat where you want to add or change a nickname. Once the conversation opens, tap the chat name at the top. This will bring up the chat settings menu. Here, look for the option labeled Set Nickname. Tap it, type the nickname you want, and hit confirm. That's it. Your new nickname is instantly applied in the chat. But what if you open the chat, go to settings, and the set nickname option is simply not there? Don't worry, this is actually very common in 2025, especially on accounts where features roll out slower. Here's the fix. Go back to the main screen and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right. From here, select Settings and Activity. Scroll all the way down until you find Help. Tap that and choose Report a Problem. Then select Report Problem without shaking. A text box will appear. Write a short message like, "Please enable the option to change nicknames in chats on my account." It doesn't need to be long, just clear and polite. Once you're done, tap Send in the top right corner. After submitting, Instagram typically responds within a few hours. Once the feature is enabled, the nickname option usually appears right away or after a quick app restart. And that's all you need. Whether the option is available or missing, now you know exactly how to set nicknames in Instagram chats using the latest update. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what nickname you set for your favorite person. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.